Hi, today we have BMW Series 1, Series 1st and with 120 diesel. I'm going to show you how to change the crankshaft pulley and also the drive belt. Now, as we can notice, the crankshaft pulley was damaged and it fell off from the rubber. That's why it needs to be replaced. Now, to have more access to the crankshaft pulley, I'm going to remove this plastic for the air filter housing. Two bolts we have here with Torx 20, and after that I'm going to pull out the cooling fan, and then I will have access to the crankshaft pulley, and also that way I can easily install the drive belt. To remove the coolant fan, I have to disconnect the wiring plug over here. Also, there is one bolt here with Torx 20, and there is a plastic pin here that needs to be pulled out towards the engine, and after that I can pull up the cooling fan. I have removed the cooling fan, so now I have access to the crankshaft pulley, and we can see this rubber is broken. So now to remove the other part of the pulley, there are 4 bolts that can be opened with female Torx. I will try to show you. Now I think they are with female Torx 14. I have opened the 4 bolts with female Torx 12, and I suggest to open them with impact wrench, because you don't want to turn anti-clockwise the engine, because there is a possibility for the timing chain to misalign the timing, and that's why I use timing impact wrench to loosen the bolts, and after that you can remove them by hand. This is the new crankshaft pulley. Here is the part number. So now I'm going to install it and tighten it, the 4 bolts with female Torx 12. Before I install the drive belt, I have inspected the tensioner, and there was a problem. This tensioner is worn out, and the idler pulley here started to touch the tensioner, so that's why I'm going to replace it with new one. So I'm going to install the tensioner, tighten it with Torx 50. I have installed the tensioner, tighten it with Torx 50. Also I have installed this idler pulley, so now the idler can turn easily. And now I'm going to install the drive belt. This is the drive belt that I have used on this vehicle, and now you can notice how the drive belt is like this, so I'm going to show you in another program. So this is how the drive belt should be installed with AC compressor. Now this is the crankshaft pulley, this is the tensioner, the coolant pump, idler pulley, alternator, AC unit, and also the other idler, and then it returns to the crankshaft pulley. And this here is without AC compressor. So now with 16mm wrench I am pushing clockwise to release the tension of the drive belt. Also I have removed the pin, so now the drive belt is tensioned, and now I can install the coolant fan. The coolant fan is very easy to install. There is only one plastic pin on this side and one bolt here with Torx 25. Install the wiring connector. So now I'm going to start the engine to see how the belt and the crankshaft pulley is working. Everything is working perfect. So now I can install the plastic cover with the hose of the air filter housing. 2 bolts with Torx 20, and now I'm finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.